Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode of Spider Sprue. Today we'll be doing issue 22 of Hachette's Build the ROUTEMASTER Bus. Let's get building. To close the camera. Here's our parts. Oh, scissors! So in this stage we'll be assembling the drive unit. So the first thing it wants us to do is get this piece and this piece. Put that there. It is directional. And get then this piece, also directional, slide in there. And that is going to be held with a DP screw. And now we screw. Now it wants us to take this piece, which is also directional, and put it here. Again, held on the other side with DP screws. Again, it is directional. Bit fiddly. Do that off camera. And I'm back. What it wants us to do next is put this piece and then this piece, and then that is held with a DP screw. Now it wants us to put this piece with that nut facing downwards. It's a friction fit, so and then this piece, which is also directional, slides into here. Again, another friction fit. And then this pipe, again directional because it's got a little key and a keyhole. Like so. And then we get the belt and just wrap it round the pulleys. Like so. Now the fun part. Is to put this and these into here. So something like that goes in there, that one goes in there, That goes in there. And then that is held in with HP sauce. Screw! HP screw. Now, because it's so fiddly, I will do this off camera. Well, that was a bit fiddly. It took me 10 years to do this. Only joking. So that's what it should look like. And then this side, the pipe will fit in there. Again, if it's having trouble, supplies us with some tweezers, but I will use my own. Just put that in there to stretch it out a bit. Then that should go in nicely. And that is the end of stage 22. I hope you enjoyed that exciting episode of Spider Sprue. Lots of fiddly bits today. If you want to get this for yourself, I have put it down in the description below. Let's get building! Too close to the mobile phone camera. Here's our parts. Oh, scissors!